Hi everyone. Today we need to talk about slab. How to create a template for slab. Okay, let us start. I will show you here template I made it for slab. Then after that we will go together. We will create a new one. Okay, for slab I have flat slab and slab with beam and additional steel around column, and also steel for slab by dimension. Okay, let us take a look for this one, steel for slab by dimension. Okay, here when I open it, then I will find short at bottom, that means steel reinforcement for short bar at bottom. It was 10 mm in this template, 10 mm. Short at top, this mentioned 16, but it's not only for example. Short at top, and then long at bottom and long at top. So when you do the estimating for slab, you will find all this size of steel separately. So you will know how many ton 10 mm, how many ton 16 mm, how many ton 12 mm, like this. So you will get it separately. Bending wire also you will get it. Slab shattering. In slab shattering you will get how many plywood you need it for this slab shattering, and how many wood, that 3 meter length, how many numbers of wood you need it for this shattering of this slab, and how many jacks for support. Also how many jacks you need it for support, also you will get it. So in one time when you fill the slab sorry I'm sorry, you will get all these things, and then finally you will get RCC for slab. So when you start using this template, you will get all these things, and this all what we need in slab. Okay, let us take a look again in the formulas. We will go here, and then we will go look for this schedule. In this schedule, I mentioned here this for bottom and this for top. So for example, if I change this one, make it 12 mm, and this short and this long, I make it for example 14 mm. Space same as, or you can change it 1.5 and then make OK. Then look at it here, I change it 16 mm, it's disappear now. It is instead of 16 mm, we found now 12 mm, 12 mm, 10 mm, 40 mm, as I mentioned now. So this you will get the quantities of each layer or for each direction. Because of what? Because sometimes slab, the design of slab become different. Bottom is different than top, short is different than long. So for this reason I make it separately. So if it is all same, then you can put it same, no problem, and then you will calculate it together. And if all this is slab 12 mm, then you will get here all 12 mm. But if different, then you will get different. Anyway, let us go to see the advanced of this slab. This is the bottom and this is the top. So you have to fill it together. When you start doing this, you have to fill all this schedule together. Okay, in advanced, the first thing is quantity. In estimating, there is the quantity. In quantity, I mentioned here, take off into total steel weight for short, that means at bottom, plus total steel weight, this W, that means short, yes, for short, and then total steel weight for long, this short and this long at bottom. plus top steel for short, top steel, top layers as, that means in top we have to mention this double layer or 1/4, the reinforcement of top slab, top layer of slab. So this I will get back to you. I will get back to you. I will let you know what is this top layer as. That means 2 layer or 1.75 or 1 layer, plus top steel of long plus top steel of as layer. Yeah, in this one we mentioned for short and long together the layer, is it 2 layers or 1 layer or 1/4. Anyway, this is the calculation multiplying to take off. Yani for example, if you did one slab and another slab is same as, then you will do it, you will do the click 2 times. You will do by mouse click in this slab and another slab. So the takeoff will be 2. If 1, that means 1 into this one, into this all these quantities. If 2, that means 2 into all these quantities. Anyway, this is a quantity formula. Yeah, top layer as 0.75. That means 1/4. And you can mention 2, and you can mention 1. Okay, top steel of long, 1 meter weight into top of, yeah, this is the formulas. I will go one by one. I will explain this one by one. What is this and how to do it and how to calculate it and all of it. Okay, this all formulas I made it for slab. We will go to do one slab and then we will get back to start from the beginning. I will start new slab, new formula for new slab. Okay, but let me go back to home and do one slab as an example. Okay, let us go together. We'll go home and then this is slab. Yeah, this not is slab. Yeah, this one. Yeah, top layer, bottom, top 10 mm, bottom 12 mm. Okay, this is an slab. Okay, I will clear this all and then I will start. Okay, I need to start slab. I have this slab now mentioned S4 and dimension is same, 4.8, 4.8, 4.8. Yeah, this three slab same as, and here also 4.8 same as, the dimension is same as, that means still same as. Okay, I will start now. If I found drawing like this, I need to start. Then I will start by this S4 as an example. S4. Okay, first thing I have to bring this schedule of slabs like this to fill the schedule of template from here. Okay, I will go for my formulas: earthwork, masonry work, steel work. I will open steel work. Then I will look for steel for slab by dimension. Okay, before I start, let me know the dimension. In this template, I made it by dimension because of what? Because I have to know exactly how many tons in short, how many tons in the quantities in long and top like this. But for flat slab, it will be by area, all of it like this. But now I have to get the dimension to know the short and long. So the short is 4.8, long is 9.4. 9.4. Still will be from end to end. Here 4.8 from center to center. Anyway, in steel I will not get it like this, I will not take it like this, because I need the measurement of concrete and shattering same as. So I will forget the steel, this overlapping, I will add 1%, 10% for steel. When I finish all the calculation, then I will multiply the quantities into 1.1. That means I will increase the quantities of steel by 10% because of lapping and scrap and like this. So for this reason I will take the 4.8. I will not take it 4.8. I will detect 10 centimeter from here and 10 centimeter from here. That means 4.6. Because this template for steel, there is a breakdown for shattering and concrete and other things, jacks and other things. So for this reason I will take the slab exactly, not including the beam, because beam is separately in all of steel and concrete, all of it separate. Here only I will miss some steel from here to here, steel from here to here, and steel from here to here. So this, as I mentioned, it is it will be calculated in the at the end of the calculation estimation. Then I will put 10%. For other items of steel, I did it by, for example, short column or isolated footing. This I did it by, you will get everything, even scrap, how many pieces you will get scrap, and the length of this scrap, it will be how many centimeter or how many meter. You will get it exactly. So that is in vertical. All vertical reinforcement, I get it exactly how many pieces you need, how many ton you need it for this. But in slab, I will calculate according to the drawing, and then I will increase 10% for horizontal. Because horizontal, if you put steel here 12 mm, this is slab and this is slab, 4.8, 4.8 and 4.8. So you will start from here, 12 mm, no cutting, no scrap, nothing. You will go direct. When this 12 meter finish, then you will start again with lapping. You will start another bar, another steel you will start. So there is no more scrap in in horizontal, but in vertical there is a scrap. If column 6.1, then 5.9 it will not work for another column. But here, if there is a 6.1 here, then 5.1 I will use it again. Other side I will use it, but for column I cannot use it. Anyway, we talk more about this. Let me start 4.6, and then this 9.4 minus 40, that means 9. From here, from the end to end, 4.9. 4.9 minus 20, that means 9. Now 4.6 into 9, this is a short and long. Let me start here, S4. Okay, but S4 like this. Then go for slab, steel for slab by dimension. Make click. Then you will find this schedule. Where is S4? This is the S4. Okay. Mention here S4. Okay, by capital S4. This is the name. And we are in bottom. Okay. Depth of this slab 0.2. Okay, 0.2. Dimension in short. Okay, where is the short and where is the long? This is the short. Number one is the short. Number 2 is the long. Okay. Start by short. Okay, short 12 mm. Mention here short 12 mm. So short I will mention here 12 mm at 0.15. Okay, space of short 0.15. Long 12 mm, also 12 mm. 12 mm. Dimension 0.15. Space 0.15. Okay. He asked me W at bottom and W and L at bottom. That means short and long. Okay. Short 4.6. Long 9 meter. He will calculate it according to these figures I gave it to him. 4.6 and 9. He will calculate the quantities and all this according to that. Okay, now I finish the short. I will go for I finish the bottom. I will go for top. Okay, in top, this S4, it is 2 layer. Mentioned here 2 layer. Top here he mentioned it is 2 layer. That means I will mention here top layers as, is it 0.75 or full 100%? Is it 75% or 100%? That means when I will let him multiply it into 1, not 0.75, because I will do the full layer. Okay, top dimension for short S4, this is the top dimension. For short, this is the short and this is the long. Okay, 10 mm. 10 mm. Space 0.15. Okay. And top dimension for long, top dimension for long, also 10 mm. Also 10 mm. That means this slab, in bottom there is a 12 mm and at top 10 mm. That's all. So I will mention it like this. Then I will make okay. And then directly I will go to my drawing and I will search for this slab. S4, 4.8 into 9.4. That means that what we talked about it before. Okay, I will make only click. No need anything. Only just you have to make click. Here I have something they disappear. I don't know. Next time I will get it. Okay, I make click here for this one, and this also another one, and this also another one. Then what else? Okay, I will go for 4.8. When I found 4.8, then I will make click. 4.8, 4.8, 4.8, 4.8. This same, and this one up to here. Other is different. Okay, and then after that I will make right click to stop. I finish it now. Then I will go for estimating to see what I did and what is the result. To see the result. Go for estimating. Collapse all. This is the S4, what I made it now. He gave me. He told me the steel, total steel of this slab you mentioned, it is 7 ton or 7,594 kg. Divided by 1,000, that means 7.5 ton or 7.6 ton. Okay. Here he gave me 12 mm, it has to be 2 ton. 10 mm, it has to be 1.5 ton. 12 mm again 2.2. 10 mm 1.607. Okay, he gave me all these things. Then what I have to do? Just I have to calculate. I have to for estimating, I have to put this 12 mm and 12 mm together, 10 mm and 10 mm together. Then I will give them. I need steel for slab S4, steel like this, 10 mm like this and 12 mm like this. He gave me bending wire. He mentioned bending wire 15 kg. It is not a 15 kg, it is a 15 roll. One roll is 9 kg. So he put for each ton 2 roll. I think it is too much this one, but let it to be more better than to be less. The quantity of this bending wire, it is not expensive. Okay, this is steel is finished now. He gave me all quantities in separate. Then shattering. For shattering, he mentioned that 372 square meter. This all slab, I gave it to him. The total quantity of this slab by square meter, 372 square meter. Okay. He mentioned for that plywood. Plywood, he gave me 129 piece. That means each by each plywood. And this wood here I mentioned by bundle, but I forget this one. This units I forget it, but it is a bundle. One bundle 150 piece. That means 4 bundle we need it for this slab. For 372 square meter we need 4 bundle. near to 600 piece in 300 means in 3 meter lengths. Okay, then he gave me jacks. He mentioned that 1490 jacks, because the space between jack and another, this for support of shuttering, it is 50 centimeter, 4.5 meter, the space between jack and another. So the total I have to bring it to the site 1490. Okay, RCC for slab, he mentioned that 74.52 cubic meter. He gave me the quantity of slab and all of it. Okay, if I go one by one for this one already we talk about. It is a total of top and bottom and like this. For short, this is the total of short. For short at bottom, short at long at top, short at bottom, short at top, and long at bottom, long at top. Okay, long at bottom 12 mm, long at top 10 mm. This is the quantity. What I need to know, okay, for example this one, if you do the properties of it, then you will find here the quantity divided by 2.88. the quantity divided by 2.88. Quantity of what? Quantity of slab. The total quantity of shuttering, divided by 2.88. 2.88, that means 1.22 the width of plywood into 2.44. If you multiply 1.22 into 2.44, you will get 2.88. So I divided the total quantity of square meter by square meter of area of plywood. Then I will get the quantities. Here I mentioned each, but it is a bundle. We will see it also. Okay, I mentioned here, then it is here. For jacks, I need to check jack. What I did for these jacks. Okay, W divided by 0.5 into L divided by 0.5 also into takeoff. Takeoff, that means how many slab I made. Then he calculated and then made it like this. So it is okay. This jacks, it is okay. What else? RCC for slab also take off into W into L into thickness of slab. I think I forget the thickness of slab, or I made it, I don't know. Take off into L into W into slab thick. Yeah, slab thick, I found it in total. Then what else? Wood. Yeah, this wood, I will show you wood. That plywood by each, but here like sometimes I don't know. Yeah, quantity into 2 divided by 150. Quantity into 2 meters divided by 150. Why quantity into 2? For bundle. I think this is a factor I made it. Area into 2, you will get the total, not by space like this. Anyway, it's okay. This one, it has to be bundle. Because I divided by 150 piece. And this one I have to change it to each, because this is plywood by number each. Okay, this is the slab. So I finish it now. So we in next recording I will start how to do template for slab from the beginning. So now this is the result of slab. I can show you another type of slab. For example, for this same I need to make it as flat slab. Okay, this is the flat slab. Then in flat slab he will ask me long diameter 10 mm, thick 0.2, short diameter, this was 12 and short, is 12, short 12 and long is 10. Okay, and then space 0.15 and layer, ask me for layer. So in this case I have to make it 2 times because this template I did it previously. Now the L diameter, that means long diameter, at bottom it was 12, not 10, 12 and 12, and number of layer it is 1. If this for slab the steel is same, then you can mention here 2 and it is okay. But now you have to do it 2 times. 2 times I have to do this for bottom, and then I will go and again for long. I can mention here flat slab S4 bottom. Okay, another one I will write here, I will type here top. Okay, then I will make okay. This is easy, it is easy. Then I will go direct for this slab, and I will start from this one like this. So I cannot choose one or another one. I will do all this slab because all of them same as, but dimension is different. Here no need for dimension, just by area I will do it like this. It will give me everything also, but I have to remember that top I have to do it again. Okay, let us stop here. 3 slab, right click to stop. Then again I have to go for top and mention 10 mm, and then I will do it here. So in estimation, let me do one slab. Top. Okay, dimension, thickness no need this time because I did it another time with bottom. So here I will mention diameter 10, and then 0.15 and 1 layer. It's okay. Then I will go direct also again, same as that. Previous another layer at bottom, this layer at top. That means I put this above this. Look, it is easy and it is quickly you can do this, no issue. Okay, then I will go for estimating. I will see this one, flat slab S4 bottom. This is the steel of it. Flat slab steel at top. This is the steel of it. This 3 slab I made it like this. So here you will find RCC 24 cubic meter, and you will find slab shattering 123. There is no more breakdown for this, only 2, RCC and shattering. So you can put the price here for shattering by square meter including everything, and RCC by cubic meter. And for steel, this you will do the price directly, no need to, there is no separate this 12 mm and this like this, but you have to know it. If you go here, you will know this, how many, this which diameter, and this is which diameter. The price is same. So also like this you can get the quantities and all of it, all quantities, all items. Anyway, we will use flat slab for flat slab. We will use slab with beam template for slab with beam, for slab with beam. Anyway, let us stop here, and then I will start in new recording how to do the template for slabs. Thank you for watching.